If you want to paint from life and not from a photo, you have to find something to paint. Today I found a metallic goldish shot glass and a sprig of a shrub. So started out trying to capture the metallic goldish shot glass. The basic gold attainment theory is some kind of tan, yellowish plus green, and you can also have accents of blue or red if they're subtle, I guess. So anyway, I was trying to do that. And then I thought, well, let me try a made-up background. I had this vision of a lot of wet paint and then blotted up with a paper towel, and it might be an interesting texture, but it was not at all. It looked pretty horrible, so I just kept at it and added some different tones near the bottom to hopefully attain perspective. But pretty much a fail there. I don't know. We just wanted to settle for mediocre on the background. And I guess we sort of had that. Next, throw in the sprig of shrubbery. And of course, since I already painted the bottom, beneath the shrubbery, the lines were showing through, but whatever, keep going. And then the dark line there in the front, that's a poetic license line because you need a sharp edge or something to achieve the metallic look. And there was no sharp edge really. It was very subtle and faint. And so that's, you gotta sort of make things up a little bit as you go, and there it is, the big finale metallic shot glass with sprig of shrubbery. Here I thought I was gonna put a jazzy signature, but it was all wet from my background attempt, so I just blotted that up. Maybe later we could do that. Art fun. I was trying to use up this paper, which is an Arches watercolor block, high quality paper. So, it's not the cheapest paper I own. Best to use a square inch. Art fun.